Hi, Keith. I opened your plan in my copy of Home Designer Pro 2014. First thing on these missing rake walls, you may have attic walls turned off as a layer. That's the first thing I want to check. So if I can find display option, there it is. And we'll go down, hit W for walls and walls attic. Walls attic's turned off. Okay, that fixed the missing attic walls. When you turn them off, they're not going to show. And it looks like we've got a problem here. I'll just click on this wall here. It looks like it's being interfered with probably by this roof plane here. I'm going to move that roof plane away from the edge just a little bit. See if that doesn't help. I did. Okay, it straightened out that. Now I'm just going to extend this wall to fill that in. Click on the wall polyline. Okay. Apparently we don't have enough roof overhang here to chop that wall off. So let's find the roof planes. Oh, I see you've got very stingy overhang. Got to have overhang or the roof planes won't chop off the walls underneath. Got to be a little bit. Click on this roof plane and extend it some, just so that they're even. Let's see if that cured that. Helped. Okay. Apparently this roof plane here is still in too close. Bring that back and see if that doesn't. Yeah, see, it brings the wall back. Because this roof plane here is encroaching too much on this attic wall. So it's, and we need more overhang here. You can see that the wall is not being chopped off by the roof planes. And, oh, I see it popped back. I'm going to move this over to there. See if it won't stay this time. Huh. So let me get a different angle on this thing. In an isometric camera, you can't always see what's going on. There's that wall there. I'm just going to drag it over here and fill that gap. The roof plane should chop it off, and it mostly did. That's probably a perpendicular attic wall there. Yeah, it's probably this wall here. This one here. I don't think there's much you can do about that. Yeah, I think alright, I'm going to take this and extend it over this wall. Make the other one match, not that one. The one adjacent to it. Yeah, that one. Yeah, I got a little bit better pattern here. But you can see this roof plane here is chopping off. I'll pull it back some. Okay, then it filled in. And why you've got different colors on the siding, I guess that's your business. Now, whenever I do flat roofs, this is just a suggestion. Let me go back to a plan view. This elevation camera, I don't need it anymore. I'm going to close it. Okay. the first floor. Okay. See if you've got soffits turned on. Yeah, they're turned on. I'll just do it this way. It's easier for me to see. I'm going to delete that soffit and zoom back in and click on Roof Tools and just draw a roof plane baseline right on the. Whoa! What's okay? It's because that funny angle you've got going there. I'm going to have to find out what that angle is. Should be able to open the dialog box and go to the General tab, and there's the angle. Okay, I'm going to copy that angle into Plan Defaults for allowed angles. So we got that new allowed angle in there, and now I can draw a roof plane at that angle. If I'm careful. Let me hit the control. There we go. I got finally. Oops. It's wanting to snap around. I'm not going to let go of my mouse until it's right where I intend it to go. Okay, and then we'll drag it this way. Take that. Open the dialog. Set the pitch at 0 degrees. Extend it. This is very sloppily done, but just to communicate a way to do flat roofs. There's your flat roof. And if you need to raise it or to lower it, you can just use this tool here to raise or lower the selected object. You could extend this all the way down on the flat roof sections. Get rid of those soffits. And you shape the roof plane just however you want it. Like I don't want it cutting into the corner of the building right here. So I'm going to break it and move it around the corner. Oops. Hit the brake tool, create a break. There we go. Now I can go around the corner without chopping that wall. There we go. And we'll move that over there. This over here. I'm going to have to do a little bit more shaping because of the geometry of your building. That's close enough. If I was doing this job myself, I'd be a lot more careful than that. But just to illustrate, you can do flat roofs with using the roof tool. And it does a nice job. Soffits are okay. There's nothing wrong with that. I think this is a little bit cleaner looking, but that's just my opinion. Okay, I think that's your problems are addressed and solved, and a suggestion on how to do flat roofs. Look for that wall there is inside out or something. Oh. It's being chopped off by that roof plane. I got that a little bit too close. There we go. That was a problem that I caused. Okay, thanks, Keith. Have a great day in jolly old England. Greetings from Texas.